For me, being born to express, not to impress as marked in subjects, and always having high grades isn't enough for me. Because of the importance of academic ability and skill that are interrelated to implement the real student profile. Because I believe that identity isn't sold, but created by oneself. And this is me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Zahra Mulkishani Atik. You can call me Zahra. Now I'm studying at Poltekkes Kemenkes Tasikmalaya in majoring medical record and health information in the 4th grade.
Some of the achievements that I'm proud of include being the winner of a national scientific paper competition in several competitions, a semi-finalist in Southeast Asian Scientific Paper Competition, and actively being a research person in several scientific study events.
I believe that being an outstanding student is not only about academic grades, but also about the ability to have a positive impact on the surrounding environment. Therefore, I continue to strive to be a person with integrity, competitiveness, and the ability to be agent of change in society.
Plastic waste can decompose naturally, but it takes hundreds of years, especially since Indonesia is currently ranked second as the largest producer of plastic waste in the world. Plastic waste is one of the major challenges for the environmental due to its physical and chemical properties. This fact is a challenge for the younger generation as agent of change to produce new breakthroughs in realizing environmental solutions. This research aims to produce biodegradable plastic innovation with SCOBY material, which is a collection of bacteria and yeast that form a cellulose structure, so that it's easily to degrade. EcoBioBi is a biodegradable plastic product based on SCOBY, which is an alternative to solving environmental problems, is substitute of synthetic plastic. The methods used are qualitative and quantitative research. Qualitative research in the manufacture of EcoBioBi present novelty in the composition of making SCOBY starter that use less sugar and shorter fermentation times, and this is relevant with the concept of a sustainable environment. In addition, qualitative research was conducted to test the quality of EcoBioBi. The result of the study illustrates that there are differences in the absorption capacity of synthetic plastic and EcoBioBi. There is no differences in density of synthetic plastic and EcoBioBi, and there are differences in the biodegradability of synthetic plastic and EcoBioBi. Therefore, SCOBY has great potential to be a material for making biodegradable plastic that can be naturally decomposed by microba and other organisms in nature that are environmentally friendly. Moreover, EcoBioBi products directly support the achievement of Sustainable Development Goals, especially Goals 12 about responsible consumption and production by encouraging sustainable production patterns and reducing dependence of synthetic plastic, and Goal 13, Climate Action by reducing the potential for carbon emission from plastic waste that is difficult to decompose. In addition, this innovation also supports Goals 14, Life Below Water, and 15, Life Offline, through effort to mitigate environmental pollution that has a negative impact.
Thus, EcoBioBi is not just a product innovation, but also the real manifestation of the contribution young generation in the supporting sustainable development. Environment is no one's property to destroy. It's everyone's responsibility.